honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you are new here, and in today's video we are going to be doing an empty house tour, which is a much awaited empty house tour. So if you guys want to see Mark and I's house on the inside, definitely keep on watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as turn on the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I will be uploading twice a week. I don't have set days, but I will be uploading twice a week. And yeah, so let's get started. And also, this is what I look like on a daily basis. So yeah, so here we go. Alright y'all, so I'm carrying around my huge Canon camera because I do not have a vlogging camera. If you guys have a suggestion on any vlogging cameras, definitely let me know because I look a little crazy right now. I actually have my mic hooked up as well, so it looks a little crazy, so yeah. But we are in the entryway of our home. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a walkthrough style. You guys won't see me anymore. Okay. So right when you walk in, there's a set of stairs. Excuse the mess, like I said. So our house is still a construction zone, so don't mind all of this stuff. So I guess I could start in here. This is the office. It's actually a pretty good size. We decided to go with this really pretty bluish color. It's a darker blue. I wanted to make this room actually masculine compared to the rest of the house, because the rest of the house is super light as far as colors go, and I just really liked it. If you guys see, we actually have the kitchen closed off. I have it open on the other side, but as of right now, this is still staying closed because we still have to sand and do stuff in the kitchen. The kitchen's our last project because it's pretty extensive. And then here we have our living room and a sneak peek of our couches. I apologize, I really wish I had a wide lens, but I just don't, so we're making do with what I've got. So we've got a nice little fireplace. Excuse all this construction stuff. And then I'm going to show you guys well, I guess I could show you guys the outside. So let me unlock the door first. Yeah, so this is the outside. We have a nice little drop deck in our house, our grill. We've got a fire pit here and a little bench area that we're going to redo because it's not really usable. You can't really use it. We've got a little fireplace. Then we've got this cute little pergola with a fire pit and everything. So we have a nice little yard. It's good. It's good. I'm not going to show you the couches too much. Just little sneak peeks of it because I want you guys to see it. So this is the disaster zone. That is our kitchen. I'm just going to be super real with you guys. We are in the process of just complete rehaul on this kitchen. So the next time you see this kitchen, it will be fully finished, which is super exciting. But besides that, we have a half bath that is a little grody right now, so I'm not going to open that. We have our washer and dryer in here. We'll close that. We have these nice builder grade cabinets, oak cabinets, and a really ugly backsplash that I plan on replacing. So I'm going to replace this. We're going to paint either these white or a light gray. I'm not too sure, and we might just leave the countertops for the time being. Eventually I would love a butcher's block countertop, but right now that just doesn't, that's not in our budget. And yeah, we have to sand in here and prime and paint because the walls still need to be sanded. So we are literally going to put plastic here and then in this other entryway to prevent any dust from coming into the house. So, you guys, new homeowner tip, because we just didn't do it. We covered this in plastic, but we didn't do this end. So the dust, the sheetrock dust literally got everywhere and into the cracks, so we may end up having to buff this out on this side of the room because it is pretty tragic. But put plastic down. That's all I'm saying. So right now we're gonna head upstairs. And I did an epoxy glaze on our sink, and so this is our guest bathroom. I did an epoxy glaze on the sink. So this used to be a cream color. This is the first coat, so I am going to be doing the second coat today. And I have to re-sand a spot because I can't have it looking like that. But this is the color of the walls. I'm not gonna go too in depth in here because it is still a construction zone as well. You guys are gonna see a little sneak peek of our bedroom furniture. And right now we have it in the guest bedroom because that room, our master bedroom, is being renovated right now. It's not fully finished. But yeah, so I'm gonna take you into here. We're just gonna turn it right around. So this is our bedroom furniture. Well, at least our bed and like our nightstands, but this is the color that we chose for this room. I absolutely love this color. It's called Sea Salt by Sherwin-Williams. I'll insert it here for you guys and the little code number because it is such a pretty light green color, light greenish blue color. And yeah, there's our mirror for our dresser. And then into the infamous beauty room. This is gonna be my beauty room. It is gonna be my favorite room in the house. Right now I just painted it white and we are gonna remove this fan and put a chandelier in, like a little one, nothing too bougie. But it's got got one big closet, so I'm just gonna put all my clothes in here. I have so many ideas for this room. But yeah, there's that. We're gonna head on out into our master bedroom, even though it is a disaster. This room was completely different. I'm going to insert a clip of what it used to look like because it used to look real bad, y'all. And now we painted it like a nice light blue, bluish gray. We have to install our wood floors still. These are our bigger dressers for the room, and then this is our construction zone of a bathroom. This is going to be the biggest rehaul, but we primed everything. We haven't painted everything just yet. This is our closet that still needs to be deep cleaned, and then this is an atrocity. That is our bathroom. Right now, it's got a really beautiful skylight, but we literally had to take off all of the popcorn in this room. Yeah. And we had to replace it with drywall because it just ripped it apart. So right now we're in the process of doing that. So that is that. All right, so that pretty much concludes this entire tour. It is our very first home, so obviously like it is not perfect. Mark and I have not touched the outside. We are not fully finished, but I know that I really just wanted to do the empty house tour because it's empty. If you guys watch my chit chat get ready with me video, I will link it down below. We had our furniture delivered like 2 weeks ago, and we had it delivered here in plastic. So this is the first time that like the couches have been out. I was actually able to clean the floors well enough that I knew it wasn't gonna get onto the couches. So that's super exciting and really nice. But yeah, so I understand that like it's not perfect right now, y'all. I plan on doing a completed house tour when everything is fully finished. I think this is gonna be a really good video to kind of look back on, because right now it is so crazy how different it already looks. We've been at it for a month now, and things look so different, and it's really rewarding, and it makes me really emotional because we've put a lot of time, sweat, and like actual tears in this house already, and it's our first home, so this is like super exciting for us. Hopefully you guys really love this video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and yeah. So I will be uploading once again twice a week. I don't have specific days just yet until I find my like groove and everything, but I will be uploading twice a week for you guys. I am determined to make this YouTube channel a priority in my life. I've decided to focus on one creative aspect of my life for now, for the time being, and this is it. And yeah, so hopefully you guys love this video, and I will see you honeys next time. All right, bye guys.